Hello guys, how can you create a dress mockup effect in Photoshop like this? First, open your image in Photoshop. Now select the quick selection tool. And make a selection around the dress area. Once the selection is complete, press Ctrl+J to create a copy of the selected area. Now go to File, Place Embedded, and insert your design image. Adjust the design properly, then press Enter. Right-click and create a clipping mask. Go to Blending Options. Select Multiply. Then go to Blending option of Underlying Layer. Hold Alt to split the sliders. Adjust the sliders to blend the design naturally with the dress. And that's it. This is how you can create a dress mockup effect in Photoshop.